Hello and welcome to Tensar Ground Coffee. A few minutes on ground engineering to enjoy while having your coffee. This time we're at the 17th European Conference of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering at this fabulous venue in Reykjavik in Iceland, at the Harper Conference Centre overlooking the water here and the mountains. It's been a fantastic conference so far, over 800 delegates, and I think one of the highlights of the conference is sure to be the Mercer Lecture. What is the Mercer Lecture? Well, that's named after Dr Brian Mercer, the inventor of Geogrids. He invented the Netlon process. And you still see Netlon products today. If you buy a bottle of duty-free at an airport and they wrap that mesh around the bottle, that is made by the Netlon process, counter-rotating dies that create a mesh. And then Dr Mercer also invented the Tensar process, where grids are created by punching holes into a polymer, and then they are stretched, so they're punched and drawn so that the molecules of the polymer become aligned along the ribs for greater strength. So the lecture series, the Mercer Lecture, is intended to cover some aspect of geosynthetics that is given at a forum such as this, at a more general geotechnical forum, so that more people learn about applications with geosynthetics. So at this conference, Professor Jorge Zornberg of the University of Texas at Austin will present the Mercer Lecture at this conference. And then later this year at the African Regional Conference, it'll be Professor Kerry Rowe from Canada. That will be in October, I think, in Cape Town. And then early next year at the Geo Congress in the US at Minneapolis, Professor Kerry Rowe again will present the Mercer Lecture. So if you are attending any of those conferences, be sure to go along and hear some great research that has been done on geosynthetics, so you can learn a little bit more about the latest developments in the field of geosynthetics. Okay, that's all for this episode of Tensar Ground Coffee. I'm going to get back into the conference. Thanks for watching and see you next time.